Nature, where are you? We need your help. Yes? Yeah? Got something good for my hair? Oh, thank you so much. I knew it. I knew it. Hello guys, it's a girl Gracie here. Welcome to my channel. Here we unpack the goodness that nature provides to us. In today's video, we unpack a wonder plant. Yes, a wonder plant. It is well known for its healing power for centuries. Not only does it nourish the body from within, but can be used topically to enhance the health and beauty of your hair, face, and skin. Oh, our wonder plant is none other but the aloe vera plant. Yes, our focus today is on its benefit to the hair. As you can see, my hair is calling it. I need some help for my hair to look. I need my hair to look shiny, soft. And also I usually use it as a gel to make my hair, to define the curls. Yeah, it defines the curls very easily. So we go to its benefit. Aloe vera is a natural moisturizer. It is water dense, making it an ideal way to prevent and to treat dehydration. As you know, moisture is key to preventing breakage and also dandruff. And also, aloe vera has some enzymes which repairs dead skin cells on the scalp and also condition hair, leaving it smooth and shining. The aloe vera juice or gel penetrates through the epidermis and delivers important nutrients that promote rapid hair growth. So we are here. You can use aloe vera gel as a natural shampoo, natural detangler, natural gel to lay down your hair or define curls, as I said, and also a natural leave-in conditioner. Yes, you had it right. So how do you prepare it? First of all, you remove the spikes. I'm here removing the spikes along the edge so that it will be easy and safe for you to extract the gel. Yeah, the spikes can be somehow prickling to your nails. So I usually first, before everything, that is my first thing to do. And also I cut to the ends of it, the bottom and the top. Okay, then I go ahead and remove the upper skin so that I can leave it open. Yeah, like that. Here you can use, I'm actually using a knife, but I would advise you to use maybe a spoon, something that is not, a tool that is not that sharp for scraping, because the leaves, it's so slippery because of the gel. You may end up cutting your hands. We don't want that. Safety first. This is what I use to extract the gel, the comb. It's a hack actually. Some people usually, you can remove the gel and blend it, put it in the blender, or you can use a food processor, or even you can use hands. If you don't have all those, you can use your hands. But this is the easiest, easiest and hack for removing the gel. I usually find it very easy to use and to get my gel from the leaves. So let's remove the gel so that we can go ahead and treat my frizzy hair here. Wow, our leaf have a lot of gel. As you can see, it's more of water, so dense. And another thing is that the gel from the aloe vera usually penetrates at a faster rate. They say it's 88 or 4% faster than water through the studies that were done, and it's good news because it means it will go and penetrate very fast in through the epidermis, and it will go and deliver all these nutrients because it's loaded with nutrients that are very vital for your hair growth. So you can imagine the nutrients, the shaft and the pores will be open, receiving these nutrients and delivering it through your the hair shaft, and that make your hair to grow at a very high rate and with its shiny look because it's full of nutrients and well hydrated. Yeah, I will strain it to remove the particles. I want it to have no particles because I usually use it as a leave-in conditioner, so I'm not going to rinse it out. And also I'll use it as a styling gel to define my curls. So you see, when you use the comb as a hacker to remove to extract the gel, it's like 100%. It's only gel you extract. Now with that, we are done, and here we have the leftovers, and this is what we're gonna use in our garden to make the compost. No waste in nature. Now we are ready to use our aloe vera gel as a leave-in conditioner, and also I'll use it to style as a styling gel to style and define my curls. I've been using this gel over the past years. This is late last year. I had a short hair, and that is what I used to use to define my curls, even when some years back with long hair. And I'm still using it because I know the value, I know the benefit that I get from it. And imagine, with all the benefits, it's very, very affordable. You can have it planted. Just find a spot at your place in a container garden if you don't have enough space to plant, and it's a very easy growing plant, so it will thrive and you'll have your supply of fresh aloe vera leaves. So if you don't know, I had shared I'll attach a link in the description below so that you can find how you can prepare your potting mix for soil for where you can that is so enriched so that you can grow your own aloe vera at home. Thank you so much for watching, and stick around. Yes, more is coming. So if you haven't subscribe and hit that notification bell so that you don't miss any of our updates. Thank you so much, guys. I love you. And if you want to know how to achieve these curls, I'll be sharing a video of how the process of how I just do it at home and how I achieve these curls. Thank you so much. God bless you.